यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
Did you ever copy Dad's action at all?
All the time, all the time.
Do you remember which ones, which
He
sequences?
keeps making fun of me most of the time.
Ajay,
And he keeps bullying me, by the way.
I don't. He's lying. I don't remember, but I didn't know it was him. And then I realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it. I love the moment when he's training him. So there's a scene where he's training him and he's really taking the life out of him, and that just reminds me of this guy. यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या? I love him. Everyone loves him. He inspires me a lot, and yeah, I just.
due to him to give him this kind of a welcome. Do we remember the welcome, guys? Yeah, we remember. 3, 2, 1. One more time. It wasn't that good. 3, 2, 1. Rajesh Thakkar Academy ke bachcho, thank you so much for being here. I have no words to actually compliment you on Yug because he sounds amazing. How proud are you to watch your son's debut in a legendary film like that? Kaise feel kar rahe hain aap?
First of all, namaskar. Thank you, kids. Yeah, I feel very proud because when he started dubbing, and I was told that he would start his rehearsals, and तो मुझे वहाँ से फोन आया कि उसकी rehearsals जो first day था, but he did so well that उसमें से कुछ takes actually रख रहे हैं.
Wow.
And he called me up. He took permission of the technicians and everybody, and he said, "Can I make my father hear what I've dubbed?" And he called me up on a WhatsApp call, and
Speaker
he
पे
made
रख के,
speaker पे रख के सुनाया, and that felt so nice.
Oh my God, that is so thoughtful, Yug. Yug, I know I was going to come to you later, but I have to ask you. I know this is a very, very, very run-of-the-mill question, but how inspired are you from your dad? Because we all are, right? But आपको पहली बार कैसे एहसास हुआ कि आप अजय देवगन के बेटे हैं और क्या एक्शन करते हैं मेरे पापा?
I mean, I love him. Everyone loves him. He inspires me a lot, and yeah, I just. I don't know what to say.
Do you remember that first action sequence you saw of Dad on screen and you said, "Oh my God, now
I
my..."
didn't know it was him.
What?
Yeah, I didn't
Which
know.
movie was it?
I don't remember, but I didn't know it was him. And then I realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it.
देखो टिपिकली हम लड़कियां घर पे बैठ के एक मूवी से डांस सीक्वेंस को कॉपी करते हैं एंड बॉयज यूजुअली लाइक टू फाइट इट आउट इवन इफ इट्स इन थिन एयर विद नोबडी इन साइट. Did you ever copy Dad's action at all?
All the time, all the time.
Do you remember which ones, which
He
sequences?
keeps making fun of me most of the time,
Ajay,
and he keeps bullying me, by the way.
I don't. He's lying.
आपको याद है इन्होंने कौन से की कॉपी करी and you caught him maybe?
No, not really. But what I'm very happy is कि बचपन से not because of films or things like this.
Yeah.
इसको खुद ही शौक था. He's training in a lot of things. He works out on his own. He measures and calculates makes his own meals. In fact, decides his own meals. So he's very conscious like this. और ये मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि मैंने instill किया. It has come from within.
Actually. So he's showing off his six-pack abs and going around the house?
Kind of, he does that.
All right, so I have to ask you to have this collaboration, and we watched this film. As a legendary, आपके मतलब, it's आपके bloodline में है ये, to watch a movie internationally which touched all of us, आप उसके कितने बड़े fan थे to begin with?
I mean, I think पहली आई थी 80s में, and obviously I've been a fan of Jackie Chan always.
Yeah.
I think he's a legend. Yeah. And but since then I've been following Karate Kid, and सभी फिल्में बहुत पसंद आई थी. फिर कोबरा का आया. So I followed everything. I mean, I've always been a fan of Karate Kid.
Jackie Chan smiles a lot. Do we agree, guys? He's smiling all the time. You must have had to smile a hell of a lot for this or dubbing.
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा smiling नहीं था.
Actually, yeah. But nonetheless, it must have been. Was it a challenge for you as well? ये आपका Hollywood debut है, and you're dubbing.
No, I think it was very comfortable. We started and we wrapped up very fast, in fact.
Was there a scene that you remember, both of you remember from the film that you thought was really interesting? उसका कोई BTS while you were dubbing together? Were you dubbing together?
We hardly dubbed together.
Okay,
No, we
okay.
didn't dub
But any moment in the movie that you love? Yug, I'll come to you first.
I love the moment when he's training him. So there's a scene where he's training him and he's really taking the life out of him, and that just reminds me of this guy.
That's why you're here.
आप पोल खोल रहे हैं क्या? पापा की पोल खोल रहे हैं. तो क्या पापा ने आपको ट्रेन किया है मतलब? That's what you're saying.
बहुत. He trains me every time we go to the gym together.
Ajay ji, you have to tell us about this. मतलब युग का ये debut है. We can't not know.
But I'm hardly in the gym with him alone.
So what is the training he's
Most of the
talking
time he
about?
trains himself. Earlier I used to train him.
जी.
Now he trains me.
Oh, do you want to thank Sony Pictures for doing this for the two of you to come together? Because you being in this frame, the whole media, the whole world watching this, for you to be part of something which is so up your alley, like you and action is synonymous. It's like you don't have to say the two words separately. आपको दोनों के आने का और Sony Pictures को क्या कहना है?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think they thought of this, and in fact, when you got this offer, he got very excited, and more than anything, he got excited that at this age he wants to work, and he actually wants to work. Not in the film industry. He doesn't know as yet what he wants to do in life, but work. So, and when he started working, he was so excited and happy, and he started throwing tantrums also.
Oh, but you have this dialogue in the
He used to
film.
come home and say, "I'm a working man. I'm very tired. Don't disturb me now."
You're ready, babe. You're so ready for this. I'm so excited for you, bro. Okay, so you have this line in the movie, Singham wala line. याद है आपको?
Yeah.
बताओगे? You want to say it in the style that you said it in the film?
यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
अजय जी, सिंघम बन गया है कि बनने वाला है कि क्या हो रहा है?
I think Singham कोई किसी को नहीं बनाता. Singham बनाने वाला एक ही है.
Oh! What a dahad, what a performance. What do you really feel about his performance?
No, he's done very well. I think for me, he's been very natural. All whatever I've heard, he's dubbed it very, very naturally.
Nice.
So and it sounds very real.
Lovely. Karate Kid के आप कितने बड़े fan हैं, युग?
I love Karate Kid. I've been following it since like forever. I
Yeah.
love it. I watched all the films. I've watched the Jaden Smith one. I watched Cobra Kai. I kept following the seasons of Cobra Kai, and now just to get this, it was really exciting.
Were you watching it on repeat and that's why it's inside of you how this works and how this goes on screen?
Probably.
Was it easy to emote the action sequences? Because you have to, you have to feel the pain, you have to feel that entire thing on screen.
It was confusing because it was my first time.
Yeah.
So to do that for like the first time, it was a little tricky.
अब पापा ने कहा बहुत सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं. So before I ask you the last question, what is it that you're training in with all the fitness?
Just trying to be fit.
And not eat the wrong things.
Yeah.
You want to tell that to the youngsters here? That eat healthy?
Yeah, eat healthy, don't get fat.
So he calculates that once a week he'll eat a burger and a pizza, and
Oh, yes, cheat days already. All right, then, Yug, just to ask you a last question.
Yeah.
And that is that this movie is so inspiring in so many ways. How did you get inspired while you were dubbing?
So I got actually inspired by him because he's always done so well. All of you know that he's my inspiration and I really love him, and he's the reason I'm doing this.
Who doesn't want a boy like that? I want to have a son like that. You are so adorable. Thank you so much for being so fierce, strong, so focused with what you managed there on screen. Super proud of you. Can we please clap for Yug right this moment? What a beauty. What an artist. आपने कितना इनको एडवाइस किया इसके डबिंग के पहले?
dubbing के बारे में कुछ नहीं.
नहीं?
कुछ नहीं. I just told him just be confident and go ahead and do it.
Can you show us a karate move that Dad and I can follow you? Yeah?
A karate move?
Yeah? Like anything in the screen that your character is doing? Or should we call somebody to do this for us? Anybody?
Yeah, let's call someone.
Ajay ji, aap please बुलाएं. Yeah, you pick. See, there are lots of hands going up. You want somebody from there, where?
The one in the middle who's jumping.
The one in the middle who is jumping. Who is that? Who is jumping in the middle? The orange t-shirt ke left pe, right pe, kahan? Yahan.
Yeah.
With the paper? Here. The little girl. Oh. Okay, I don't know. I can't tell who's. Is somebody coming down? Aajao. It's a very momentous time for all of us Indians. क्योंकि एक film ethical लड़ाई की है. It's about values, traditions. Operation Sindoor has been such a moment of pride and glory for us Indians because it's our fight against terrorism and all that stands for the wrong. Please clap to our Jawans and everything that they've done to tell them that we love them. And we've seen you do this on screen so many times, but just to ask you, how proud are you of the bravery, the valor, and...
I don't even need to say that. See, nobody wants war, but when there's no choice left, I think there is no choice left then. And I salute to all the armed forces, the PM, the whole government. They had to do what they did, and they did great. And thank you. I would like to thank them very, very much.
Let's say Jai Hind at the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Jai Hind!
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here. As we all know, 30th May, Karate Kid legends, and we have the 2 legends and the 1 in the making. What a fantastic frame of mind you have, Yug. Very proud of your work and very proud of your frame of mind. Amazing, amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Ajay ji. Congratulations to you and Kajol ji. When your exams are on, everybody, let's clap to that. He actually dubbed that जब उनके exams चल रहे थे. Oh my God, you're a dude. Let me give you a high five. Thank you.